Welcome back to my channel. I will explain in this video how to install a ceiling fan and how to do the supply wiring connection. Unboxing the Usha Swift fan. First open the fan blade box. Inside the box there are three blades. Next open the main box. Inside the box we have downrod, warranty card, user manual, top and bottom canopy cap, fan motor, bracket assembly, safety wire rope. Inside the cover open canopy cap, top and bottom. And also inside the cover open down rod. Inside the cover open bracket assembly. Inside the cover open safety wire rope. Now open the user manual. Inside the manual you can see connection of diagram, installation method, how to insert the safety wire rope. And also last page is the warranty date and year details on the last page. Always read the manual before installation. Now take the motor and three blades. Take the first blade, unscrew the blade holding screws. Insert the blade and tighten the screws properly. Take the second blade, unscrew the holding screws. Insert the blade and tighten the properly. Take the third blade, unscrew the screw. Insert the blade and tighten the screws. Make sure all screws are tight the properly. Now take the down rod. Insert the motor main shaft into the downward hole. Match the holes properly. Insert the motor main shaft into the downward hole. Match the holes properly. Insert the locking bolt and tighten the bolt and nut. Insert the locking bolt and tighten the nut. Lock the safety pin properly. Now insert the bottom canopy cap. After insert the top canopy cap. Take 1 feet supply wire, insert the wire inside the down rod. Take the wire out from the bottom hole. Connect the supply wire face and neutral. Red is face, black is neutral. The bracket assembly provided is not suitable for channel ceiling fixing, so we use another holding clamp. Check the holes properly before fixing. To check the hole inside bolt inserted or not. Okay, unscrew the clamp bolts. Before inserting the clamp, place the rubber gasket inside the clamp. This helps the fan run smoothly without noise. Insert the holding clamp into the ceiling channel. Tighten the bolts and nuts properly. To tighten the bolts properly. Now insert the fan assembly downward inside the holding clamp. Match the holes. Insert the bolt and tighten the nut properly. To tighten the properly downward holding bolt. Now open the main supply cap. Insert the motor supply wires inside the cap. First identify the phase and neutral wire connection. After identify switch off the fan button before connection. After connect the wire, red wire is phase, black wire is neutral. After connection, close the cap properly. Now switch on the fan button. The fan is running smoothly. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel.